Access collection settings to customize your data sources beyond Catalyst database. If you know a relevant website, have access to an email, Excel file, news article from which you can extract company data, upload it here as a source. Catalyst will even provide relevant source suggestions to you. You can add a relevant source and expand your collection. Let me show you how a simple Excel file enrichment works. Select your file and go through some easy steps to finalize your upload. Match columns and validate your data for the best results. Within seconds, your collection will be updated with fresh data. Happy scouting!